Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something game-changing. How to negotiate a massive 20% raise without sounding desperate. Yes, a 20% boost that could add thousands to your bank account every year. Imagine walking into your boss's office, armed with rock-solid facts, delivering a pitch so persuasive they can't say no. No begging, no awkward pleas, just pure professional power. And guess what? It's totally doable. According to Fidelity Investments, 85% of people who counteroffer on salary get at least some of what they ask for. And while PayScale reports the average increase is about 7%, with the right strategy, aiming for 20% isn't a pipe dream. It's a proven path for high performers. But here's the shocker. Less than 40% of workers even try to negotiate. That means millions are leaving money on the table. If you're tired of that average 3% annual bump, this video is your blueprint. Over the next few minutes, I'll break down how to prep your unbreakable case, time your ask perfectly, script the conversation like a pro, and handle any objections with ease. Stick around for a bonus tip that could double your chances of success. If you're ready to take control of your worth, hit that like button now. You deserve this. Let's make it happen. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation preparation. You can't just walk in and demand 20% more. Think like a CEO presenting to investors. Your product is you, and you need data to prove your value. First, know your market worth. Use tools like Glassdoor, Salary.com, and PayScale to find real-time salary data for your role, experience, and location. For example, if you're a software engineer in San Francisco with 5 years of experience, the average might be $150,000, but top performers can command $180,000 or more. Aim for that upper range. Next, document your achievements. This isn't about listing tasks, it's about impact. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. For instance, in Q3, I led a project that reduced costs by 15%, saving the company $50,000 annually. Quantify everything. Turn "I work hard" into "I drove 25% revenue growth." If a client praised you or your team lead mentioned your work, reference it. And don't forget company performance. If your firm just posted record profits, tie your ass to that. You are not just an employee, you're an asset. You've earned it. Now prove it. What's one big win you've had at work lately? Drop it in the comments. Now that your case is bulletproof, let's talk timing. Asking at the wrong moment is just awkward. The golden window? 1 to 2 months before performance reviews or budget planning. Schedule a dedicated meeting to discuss contributions and growth opportunities. Even better, strike after a big win. Just close the deal. Let a successful launch. That's your cue. Data from Robert Half shows 70% of employees who ask for raises get at least a partial increase, especially when timed with positive momentum. So avoid hectic Mondays or checked out Fridays. Mid-week, mid-morning is ideal. Timing isn't luck, it's strategy. Here we go. The heart of the negotiation. How do you ask without sounding desperate? Focus on value, not personal needs. Frame it as a win-win investment. Start positive. I've loved contributing to the team and am excited about our future projects. Then pivot. Based on my research and achievements, I'd like to discuss adjusting my compensation to reflect my impact. Be specific. Considering market rates and my contributions, like increasing sales by 30%, I'm targeting a 20% increase, bringing my salary to X. Body language matters. Sit tall, maintain eye contact, and smile. Use "we" language. This adjustment allows us to continue driving results together. Practice with a friend. This conversation is your power move. You're not begging, you're negotiating as equals. What if they say no? Don't panic. If the objection is "the budget's tight," counter with "I understand. Could we explore non-salary perks like extra PTO or a bonus?" If they say "not now," ask, "What milestones would make this possible in 3 months?" Always have alternatives ready, like stock options or professional development. End positively. I appreciate the discussion and remain committed to excelling here. Then, follow up with a thank you email summarizing your points. Rejections are just redirects. Many people get raises on the second ask. Persistence pays. We've covered a lot. To recap, build your case with data, time it right, script a value-focused ask, and handle objections gracefully. With these tips, that 20% raise is within reach. And now for that bonus tip. Keep a monthly brag file of your achievements. It makes prepping effortless and keeps you motivated. If this fired you up, take action today. And for more tips on dominating your career, subscribe now and hit that bell. Comment below your biggest negotiation fear. Thanks for watching. See you next time.